Would you like to make money from NFTs without ever having to create NFTs, without ever having to sell NFTs, without having to do anything at all to do with NFTs? If so, stay with me. I got something that I think you're going to love in my review of NFT means money. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because my jokes, they're bad. I recycle my jokes every single time, and I guess I'm trying to make up for it because my small town here in Western Pennsylvania, we only recycle glass and metal. We don't recycle paper. We don't recycle plastic. So I figure if I recycle jokes, it's maybe taking care of the environment a little bit. No, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, I do use two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Seriously. Nobody wants the crap. Nobody. You don't want it either. I think you just have an existential crisis to complain about crap and wanting it, but nobody really wants it. But seriously, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product review. If I don't, good luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. And you see, Liz, I used to be a fellow New Yorker for years. I used to live in New York City. And, New York has kind of gone, well, it's got its problems these days, let's put it that way. I still live in New York. I think it's a great town, but yeah, it's gone downhill. But you know what? Liz, she's a sweetheart. I can't get angry at her, so what the hell? Anyway, so seriously, if you want to make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. So we're looking right now at the sales page for NFT means money. This is from my friend Johnny. This is a really, really cool product. Now, basically what Johnny did was he created 365 days worth of memes that you can go ahead and use on your own Facebook, Instagram, etc. Now you can take a look at a few samples here. I'll show you the members area real quick in just a moment. Here's some samples. I also have them on my website. Now, what does it mean that you don't have to actually sell NFTs, make NFTs, or do anything with NFTs in order to make money from NFTs? Well, basically, what you do is like this. You use these memes, and then you link to a product about NFTs. And that's really all you're going to be doing is basically using these things to drive traffic to affiliate offers all about NFTs. There's still a ton of interest in these things. Even if the market is cooled a little bit, there's still a ton of traffic from it. And you can still make a ton of money selling these courses and software all about NFTs. It's really, really cool stuff. Now, as far as my own custom bonus is concerned, you can see below this video. If you're watching on YouTube, there's a link. If you're watching on my website, you can see right there. I've added in all of the entire Sean Mize collection. Sean Mize is one of the biggest names who ever graced the make money online industry. And he became a multimillionaire and went into basically coaching the coaches. He recorded everything he knows in this collection. There's dozens of recordings here that are incredibly valuable. And not only do you get them with full PLR rights. By the way, these NFT memes also come with full PLR rights, meaning you can sell them, you can use them as a bonus, you can give them away, and of course you can rebrand them as your own. I've also thrown in a whole bunch of other PLR content. It's going to be listed down below this video inside of my website. So really an incredible resource. And by the way, check out the price of this thing. Now, you're not going to see it here, but if you take a look, actually, this is a sample, but the price is $9.95. Okay, really an incredible bargain for this package. Okay, let's check out the members area real quick over here. You can see these are just some of the samples that Johnny was happy to share with me. So you can take a look at some of these and just see what they look like. Okay, and they're nice stuff. These are all memes, and memes are great. They're shareable, and you can really, who said, crypto is stressful, cute. you can go ahead and share any of these things. Crypto, central banking system. Yeah, you can go ahead and use these memes to really start building out your own Facebook and Instagram following. And you can even use them on TikTok, I think. Just turn them into like a simple video of some kind. Okay, really, really cool stuff. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really do like this a lot. Okay, anytime you can get PLR content when it's all done for you, that's always valuable. And when you can basically make money without having to do any of the work, that really takes the cake. So yeah, grab this one. You're going to love this.